Watch the ground!
Good evening, Warden. I think these two men should be safe here with you now so they can get a fair trial.
Who is it, Superman?
Lex Luthor, the greatest criminal mind of our time.
Of our time?
I hereby serve notice.
Serving notice to you?
That these walls...
These walls here?
Will you shut up, please, you...
All right, take them away.
Oh, you...
This country is safe again, Superman. Thanks to you.
No, sir. Don't thank me, Warden. We're all part of the same team. Night.